more cover and then so ever channel so and a babesa designer a daconem was saying Celtic knot and the near no anything cry and tea ye base illustrator and the ever into ye bako use ellipse two no na yaba be circle ti yakofa ellipse two no na ya circle we circle no fancy shift key ni so na circle no oh na fe woman stroke black na fill no so why and none na fe stroke no woman weight no ayekese nti be increase weight ni everyone be say 35 till depending weight I want open now don't say odd key ni so no copy na the about to link say no as I don't say odd key ni so no as I copy another one and the about to say okay nti over 3 circles no man could be it say nti we are no selecting nyina on no akwakofa shape builder tool no eno na the keyboard near shift M no na wouldn't say alt no so no drag ya for her no cut it no ayibi wa say no ayibi wa say so say no ye nya be bia 3 circles no intersect no be bia omo meet no on the mention no two ya no use selection tool no arrow black no na waba menu one no select object na waba select expand na fe wa click OK nti they say no ya expand stroke na ya wono ti mo me ma no a different color na ye hu de ye no tema say bia me ma no this orange color oh na fe mo man stroke black now my increase now man bears 3 points insanity they say no ye be man look to say there lines no e bi ra e bi achi on na me john we ra we achi na be fa ni we ra we achi na be fa ni and je be select ni nyina na say use shape builder tool no ti over drag free ha sa na de be fa no I stop no sa drag free ha say so na de be fa infinifia na no so stop now what drag free ha say so na de be fa say no stop oh nti se say ni clicking chair za say we say no enam we anim we say ko fa we achi na we say so be fa we so anim ja say I not na say the wo bo bibi pono nti ye mano sa gradient to say oh use gradient to no and dragging fast way yeah be select here use gradient to yeah drag it yeah and as up na over select ibia one now we're dragging in a different direction I select it so now dragging into a different direction when we in a group into your own group no select we na near right click it now on group ni BI individual now for use gradient to no near drag ya faso never select we so near drag ya faso okay any shape nti in use type 2 no near type o Celtic knot for any kesi kakra in change font no na ye mano good okay in the front way na man good times na yɛn center no nyinaa wɔ page no so. Nti say ɛnya yɛ design no. Nti opa nso a na wɔma no background color. Nti yɛmfa sɛ bia use rectangle 2 no. Na draw rectangle. Yeah, my gradient, excuse me, and radial, a black way, you know. You're reducing on a base gray color. I need too dark. Now, you use selection tool. No, you have a right click and you arrange, select, send to back. In that is shape now. In the air, you know. Tim the master someone you have to tell my way. A chain messade another train nearby. Bye bye.